Hey y'all, what's up? What's poppin'? What's going on? So the unit I'll be rocking today is from Luvwin. This is the unit they sent over there for C edges, deep side part, undetectable lace, kinky straight bob. This is it out of the packaging. Y'all can see the edges. So I decided to go ahead and press the unit out. So that's just what I'm doing here. I didn't apply anything onto the unit because I didn't need to. And I did like a couple of passes, but really you could just do one pass and it gets it like really straight, but it still has a texture. So that's what I love. So I already came cut like this, so I didn't have to do any cutting. And yeah, so I'm just straightening it, and I have my flat iron on 450. Then I'm gonna literally take my hot comb and I'm gonna hot comb the edges back just so they give a more like natural looking feel to go with the hair. Yeah, I just feel like this is gonna be better for me. So that's just what I'm doing here. And they hot combed it really well, but they still have a lot of texture. Cap construction I like with the little jelly around to hold it. I love that. Whatever you call that, I like that. So this is me putting on the unit and showing you guys that you can apply this unit glueless, you guys. So as you guys can see, it's sitting on my head and you definitely can apply it glueless. All you have to do is cut the lace and you can go out the door. So yeah, I just wanted to give y'all an up close look before I went ahead and sprayed the lace with some lace tinting spray, because that's what I'm going to do to go ahead and match my skin tone. So I went ahead and cut the lace, and this is just what it looks like. I'm just like readjusting it on my head. Like I said before, you can apply this glueless, but for me, that don't work for me. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spray it down with this L'Oreal spray. Now, if this was a closure, I could do it glueless, but I prefer my frontals to be tacked down just for like security purposes. But I know everybody doesn't, so that's why I showed y'all the clips in the beginning. So then I'm just gonna take this band and put it on so I can melt the lace. Everything can look seamless and nice. Then this is what it looks like after having the band on for a little while. So I'm just gonna go in with my red toe comb and comb the hairline back just so I can like see how it's looking. So I went ahead and did my makeup, and now I'm just gonna like style the unit. I decided not to go with a part because I just feel like no part looks more natural. So I'm just putting some of the hair behind my ear and have some of the sideburn hanging out. So this unit is super full and I really like that about it. And look at that lace, like it's laying so flat. It looks so good. So I just decided to do like the flip over method, and that worked out really well for me and I really like the results. But look at the lace, like look how HD this lace is. And then this is just what the bob looks like from the back. And it just looks so realistic. Like I didn't lay the edges down or nothing because I wanted to look super realistic, and it does. You cannot beat this. You can wear it so many different ways without having to part it. And that's what I love the most about it. But you can part it if you want to. And then I decided to go ahead and do half up, half down because I just felt like that would be super cute. That's more me. And this unit was able to achieve it really well. And I just really like that. And I have to show you guys the lace again. Like, look at the lace. Like, I can't get over how good this lace looks. Like, the lace is bomb. Can't wear this glueless. Like, look at this. And then I'm gonna put it back down and it's gonna look like it's glued down, and it's not. Hey y'all, what's up? What's poppin'? We are now at the end of the video. As you guys know, this unit is from Luvwin. They're 180 density side part, undetectable, glueless, kinky straight unit with the 4C edges. And kinky straight here is one of my favorite textures. Y'all know that. It looks so good. It looks like pressed out. It looks like our hair like pressed out with a relaxer. And it just looks really nice. I love the body on it. And this unit is actually really thick. It's 180 density. This is a bob unit, but I decided to do something different instead of just wearing it in a bob, like, you know what I mean? So I decided to go ahead and do the half up, half down. It does come with the kinky edges, the 4C edges, whatever you would like to call them. And so what I did is I just ran my hot comb across them just a little bit. And this is the vibe that it gave. Like, I didn't lay them down. Y'all can see how thin the lace is. Like, the lace is super thin. The unit is super duper full, and I love that. And then I just have like the sideburns out on the side, and it's very versatile because I decided not to go with the part. I decided to do a flip over method because I feel like it looks a lot more natural. It looks a lot more scalp like without doing any parting. Like I feel like this literally looks like it grew out of my head. I love the cut. I like how it is a longer bob. That way if you needed to cut it a little bit shorter for your liking, you could definitely do that. But Luvwin did their thing with this unit. It's so versatile. It's so many ways that you can wear it. I just applied it with some spray, but you can definitely apply it glueless. So I'm just going to lift this up right here and show you guys that you can apply this glueless. So y'all see, and then it's laid back down. So you can just pull it up, lay it back down. So you don't necessarily have to use any spray. It literally can be applied glueless because I don't have much spray on the sides. Let's leave that laid back down. Just move the little baby hair over it. And that's it. That's all you got to do. This unit is beginner friendly. It sits on my hair really nicely. It was really easy for me to install. You don't have to use glue or spray or anything. Like I said, it can be installed glueless. It laid down really well with the band. It didn't give me a hard time or anything. And even the straightening process, you guys, this hair straightened so well. I put my flat iron up to 450 and it got super straight, like literally with one pass. So it does still have a little bit of its texture, but it is really straight. And then I just kind of like bumped it on the end so that it could give like a layered look, but I didn't cut into the unit. I just bumped it. You can do it bone straight if you like. You can wear it straight out of the packaging if you want more volume, because it would be a lot bigger if I didn't go ahead and flat iron it. But I flat ironed it because I just feel like it was going to give a better vibe for me, how I want it to look. I just love how full it is. Like I feel like this unit will look really pretty curled. This unit will also look really pretty crimped. So you can do different things with this unit. Obviously it can be dyed, but okay, Luvwinhair. When I did my foundation, I just ran like the brush across so that it could give a more like natural look. And y'all know I do have a low hairline. And so with me having a low hairline, I really do like this because I figured out a way to do it. You gotta hot comb the edges, and then now the edges kind of look like my natural edges, so you can't even really tell that my hairline is sticking out the lace because my hair is like blending in with the edges. So I decided to go and hot comb mine. You can go ahead and leave it curly if you like, but I just feel like it looks a lot better being hot comb, so that's what I went with. I'm going to go ahead and give this unit a 10 out of 10. Would highly recommend go ahead and get you one so you can be looking cute. It's definitely giving ultimate black girl baddie. Like I feel like that's what this hair is giving. It's giving senior pictures. It's giving cute. Like it's giving me 90s vibes. So if you're interested in this unit, make sure you guys check out Luvwin. Everything about them will be in the description box below. The unit that I'm rocking will also be in the description box below as well. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.